The break is over. I hope you all danced a bit. I'm sure Priska did. And we are seeing you're all sending songs to us on WhatsApp and in the chat, which is great. Please keep doing that because we can make our playlists bigger every day. I'm happy to see that we're all still here. Please let me know that you're still here by either turning your camera on or give me a thumbs up. And then we're here for our last session again, which is a short one, but an important one, because we want to know what you thought of today, but also what you learned today and what you're going to bring back to Earth tonight or this afternoon. So today was the first day of the Connector Week, the inspiring day. We started with the Choice TV show, which was well, very intense production here, but I think it was an amazing start, and we hope that you thought the same thing. And then Juli took us to the rules and expectations of this week. Then we had the former session about sharing inspiring stories with each other. And we did a nice energizer. And here we are at the end of today. So what we actually want to do with you today is we wanted to ask you to think about what will you take from today to, well, back to Earth, actually. So if you're going to bed tonight, what are you going to contemplate about? What is it that you want to learn again for tomorrow? And also, if there's any feedback for us, so if there's anything of which you think that should be improved, or anything that you missed, or anything that you really liked, so of which you say, let's do it again tomorrow. We want to hear from you. And we're actually going to use the same thing as we used in the session of this morning, which is the mural, which is shared in the chat right now. And we will also share the screen again, I think, the mural screen. So you can log in to the mural again. And there's actually a space next to the space of this morning, which is the space for today, planet Shawishi, which is the planet that we visited today. So right before we're going back to Earth, we want to ask you to post your Post-its again on the planet Shawishi space, telling us what you're thankful about, your feedback for us, things that you're taking back to Earth, or anything else that you want to share with us. If you're not able to open a mural, or if you have trouble accessing the Post-its, for example, you can post something in the chat, and then we will make sure it will be posted on the mural. And this mural is actually accessible for all of you during the whole week. So you can always go back to this mural and take a look at the days before. What did you learn? What did you want to learn? What did you like? And in the meantime, while we're all doing this, I also want to open the floor for anyone who maybe would like to share something here. So if there's anything that you learned today, or that you want to tell all of us, then feel free to do so. Just raise your hand or just speak up. And maybe we can also use this time to connect and check in with our body again. Hear how your body is doing. What did your body learn?
Oui, Rose.
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello, Rose. Je t'entends pas bien.
Oui.
Le volume Mhm. Voilà, bon, en fait, je vous remercie vraiment. En fait, vous nous avez donné l'opportunité de se connaître d'abord. Ensuite aussi, j'ai pris un peu le train en marche. Je n'avais pas compris là où je pourrais avoir l'accès par rapport à la traduction française. Mais finalement, je l'ai eu par l'aide de Kelly. Mais vraiment, bon, ça, c'est une rencontre vraiment qui m'a permis aujourd'hui d'avoir une opportunité de savoir ce qui se passe aux autres pays, d'une manière générale par rapport aux échanges qu'on a eu à faire. Vraiment, ça m'a
To the
permis
discussions that we had. I really
et
enjoyed
je compte
having
vraiment
this
pouvoir
experience,
toucher
and
au
I
niveau de la base et que ça
really
puisse aussi
want to
avoir
give feedback to the
par
grassroots.
rapport
That was an opportunity to have an idea
par rapport à la santé de la reproduction
around reproductive
dans
health
les autres pays. Vraiment, c'est une
from
journée
others.
qui a
This
été
day
pleine
was really
d'échanges et que vraiment ça aussi,
full of
c'est ce
discussions,
que j'ai voulu
and that's
apporter.
really
L'autre chose, la
something I
conclusion,
wanted to bring in.
et vous pouvez y revenir peut-être
For the
aujourd'hui, on n'aura pas le temps.
last
Mais en tout cas,
session,
vous pouvez revenir sur ça demain.
if you could
Ça va me permettre d'avoir
talk about this tomorrow as
plus
well,
de connaissances par rapport à la
it will be a way
session. J'avais
to gather more
cette
knowledge
expérience-là
with
lors
regards
de la
to the
session.
last session.
J'ai raté la
I had an
dernière
emergency.
session.
This is why I
Mon
missed
père
the last
était avec
session.
ma mère. Elle est
I had to do something urgently with my mother.
que j'ai raté la
She is
session.
ill.
Mais
This is
sinon,
why I
vous
missed the
pouvez
last
revenir
session.
demain.
But
Et
if
ça
you
va me
could
permettre de
do
réfléchir
a
à
recap on this
vraiment
tomorrow, that would be
je vous
useful.
remercie vraiment par rapport
Thank you very much
à le style de management. Hein. Vraiment, ça
for
m'a
your
apporté
management style. This is a
un
new
niveau
approach
de travail
that we're
élevé.
not
Ça
used
va
to working this
vraiment,
way,
ça va me permettre
but it's a way for us
d'avoir
to
davantage une expérience à ce qui se passe
get more
aux autres pays.
experience
Et que c'est une
on
opportunité
what's happening in
vraiment
other
que
countries.
je vous remercie.
Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ibu, for sharing that. I'm happy to hear you've had an inspiring day, and I think likewise. And I'm sorry to hear about your mother. I hope she will feel better soon. Maybe we can all share some love Ibu and Ibu's mother. And it's okay that you missed the last session. We also recorded all sessions, so you can look back all sessions on the Connect to Week website that we shared with you, Choice Connects. You can see all sessions there, and they will be available for the rest of the week. So if you missed anything, you can see it there. In the meantime, I see a lot of people sharing things on the mural. Maybe we can zoom in a little bit more so I can read them a little bit better, but I see mostly very positive things. I see most people really love to connect to each other, seeing so many young people working in the same SRHR field. A great space for exploration, collaboration, a great space literally, as we are in space today. Very interactive. Love how motivated everyone is. So thank you very much for all this feedback. If there is anything that we need to improve, also please let us know, because we are here to learn as well. And then while we're still doing this, and the day is almost over, I just wanted to let you know that you really should be here with us again tomorrow. As tomorrow we're going to the next planet Unganisha Kutenda, a whole mouthful. And tomorrow we have some very interesting sessions for you again. So we're going to start with another inspiring story from Prakya. And then Nina will take us through a very unique way of speed dating. So make sure to be there. And she's also going to organize a youth Ubuntu session. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, so make sure to be there tomorrow, but it's very interesting and it's very fun, and it's actually a very great way to connect with each other even better. And then after that, Naz and Sami will teach us about fundraising. And this is also a session where you should be present, because we are going to launch our choice seed grants. And you're all very welcome to apply. So make sure to be there. So we're almost done for today. Thank you so much for today, for traveling to space with us. You can still keep on using the mural and share your feedback with us. It will be open for you to use. You can go to the Choice Connect's website to see all the sessions, all the recordings. Make sure to check in with your body. And while you're traveling back to Earth, don't forget about each other. And keep feeling the connection. And we're hoping to see you again tomorrow.
Thanks, Roos.